Chattadata.org is the City of Chattanooga's open data portal. Through the portal, you can find information about police incidents, spending by the city, the books being checked out from the library, and even where people are riding city bikes.
So the data is for the people, right? I think it's really owned by the public. And so we try to make sure that we put high quality data, accessible data out there, as well as build useful tools, visualizations, things on top of that data, so people can actually interpret it.
You can explore how the city spends money through the open checkbook feature. The City Insider page shows all the police incidents on a map, including the date and type of incident. Everlina Holmes is an avid user. She sends out frequent reports to her community with police data that she's collected from chattadata.org.
And this way, they can see the fluctuation in the crime in their area. And if it's going up, I put it in red. If it's going down, I put it in green so that they know exactly, what's going on in their neighborhood.
There's much more than police data to explore on chattadata.org, and if there's data that you'd like to see that's not included, you can make a request by reaching out to the Office of Performance Management at opendata@chattanooga.gov or by calling 423-643-7805.